Guys, we're gonna make a quick update video on the Toasty T-5R. I know it's been a while, but I've got some stuff done to it. We'll go over a couple of the things while I'm working on the car or driving it. Yeah, that's an update. It's actually driving now. So yeah, we're gonna get to it. I'm actually just doing a wheel bearing on it right now. Tomorrow's the Arizona Volvo Car Show, so I actually wanted to bring this guy down there to go show it off, but yeah, we'll get to it and hopefully we'll take her for a little joyride. Cool. So here she is, exactly how you guys remember, nice and roasted, the paint. Yeah, she's been sitting outside in the backyard after I got the transmission replaced on it. Finally got it registered. So she's ready to hit the roads. But yeah, that's one of the big updates is that I actually got the transmission in. I didn't, but a guy down here, his dad and him run a little Volvo shop called, I think it's Murphy's Automotive, and they helped me out with the transmission. I just didn't have the space in the garage to actually do the manual swap, but sure enough, she's got her correct T5R wood shift knob. I paid a pretty penny for that, dare I say, stupid thing, but yeah, she's running like a champ. I'll take her for a quick test drive after I do the wheel bearing, but yeah, after I got it back from emissions, I could tell there was a nice like whining noise coming from the front right corner, and I really wanted to get this thing down to the car show, so I don't judge me, but I got a cheapo Duralast wheel bearing. Hopefully that works. I mean, it's got a decent warranty on it, so if it does crap out, I'll just return it. But I don't know. It'll get me down to, I think the place that the car show's at in like Gilbert. So it's probably about a 45-minute drive for me. But yeah, we'll see if she makes it. But I'm gonna get to replacing this wheel bearing. As you can tell, it's pretty nice and dusty under here. I can't really tell if it's bad, but I mean, I don't know. It's probably meant to be replaced at this age anyway. So we're gonna replace that. And I did have a traction light out for a wheel speed sensor, and I mean that looks absolutely terrible. So I would assume this is my problem with the wheel speed sensor. If it's not, then it has something to do with the manual swap. Sorry about that rice that just drove by, but he, yeah, I mean, if that's not my problem, I don't know what is, but yeah, we'll figure that out sooner or later. But yeah, here she is. She hasn't changed much. Just been sitting in the backyard. I really haven't bought any parts for it other than that really, really expensive shift knob. I bought it from a guy over in the UK and had it shipped over here, and I don't know, it's worth it. It looks right, but yeah, let me just get back to this, and you'll see her when she's back on the road. So I know most people know that saying, you're one strip bolt away from being a 5-minute job to a 5-hour job. And sure enough, strip the crap out of that bolt. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. It was the last bolt I needed to get the wheel hub out, so now yeah, that's gonna be fun. Well, wish me luck. So I got extremely lucky. Turns out that these star bits, when stripped out, are 10 millimeters. Well, at least if you force it. I just whacked on it with a hammer for a little bit and hit it with the impact, and it popped right out. But yeah, you can definitely tell this thing's bad. One second, let me prop you up right there. Nice and crunchy in there. I don't know if that's enough to make it sound so bad when you're driving, but I mean, worst case scenario, I probably need a new CV axle too, but I don't know. We got her out, so I might try and find a new bolt to put inside this thing, but other than that, it's not too bad of a job, other than all this stuff's been sitting for so long, so it's kind of nice and crusty. Luckily, nothing was too rusted in there. It's a good thing about living in Arizona. We don't get nearly as bad as rust as some other people do, but I don't know. Well, I'll keep working. Hopefully we'll get this done in the next couple minutes. I don't know if you guys can tell me, but see why this bolt's not going to work back there. Take my tone ring. That sucks. I'll find a different bolt. So Ace Hardware had a pretty decent replacement. Obviously, I'm not going to find one of those star bits anywhere locally, but found something with a hex, or yeah, that's what they call them, hex bolts or whatever. Fits perfect. Just like that, and it won't hit the dang tone ring on the CV axle. So yeah, hopefully this works, and I'll get back to you guys once I got it all back together. Okie dokie. So technically, I got that wheel bearing all tightened up. Got that new bolt for it. And yeah, she should be ready for the car show tomorrow. Like I said, it's about a 45-minute drive, so hopefully she makes it. It'll literally be the longest drive she's had since 2005, I think, the last time she was registered. So yeah, hopefully everything goes good. I'm gonna take it for a quick test drive around the block just to make sure it's not I guess I didn't miss any bolts, but yeah, we'll take it for a little quick test drive and enjoy this nice weather we're having. But yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, well, she feels great. Definitely got rid of that weird noise in the front end. I cleaned up that wheel speed sensor. It doesn't seem like it did anything. I could probably clear the codes with the OBD1, but I don't think that was the fix. I really do think it's something to do with the manual swap. Man, look at that sunset. It can't be a better day to drive this thing right now. Oh my gosh, she literally puts a smile on my face every time I give her gas or shift gears. But okay, I gotta downshift. I'll get back to you once I get on a less busy road. So that is fun. So the only thing that I need to figure out is that speedo thing. The transmission I found for this car was an M47, I think it's the H model, the one that comes in like the 2000 and up P80s, or 99 and up P80s. So it has the internal slave cylinder. That's probably why the wheel speed sensor, I know there's a way to wire it up. I need to ask TJ how he did it when he did the manual swap, but I just got to check those wires, or it's just that wheel speed sensor is just bad. I tried cleaning it as best I could, but it doesn't seem to do anything unless I need to reset the codes. But ooh, she got the power. She can't hold my phone up. That is pretty fun. I don't know what about this car makes me smile so much, because the S60R is faster than this car, but something about like the way this car handles it, it's weird. It is fun. But yeah, the swap is great. Like I said, I paid way too dang much for that stupid shift knob, but I guess US spec T-5Rs for the 1 year that they made them. They didn't import them with a manual transmission, so it never got that 1 year shift knob. Found it on Facebook, one of the T5R groups, and some dude in the UK had it for sale. And what was I gonna do? Negotiate? Oh, I can find one cheaper across the street. No, I can't. So yeah, I paid what I had to for the dang shift knob, but it looks correct. Yeah, well, I'll take you guys for along with on the drive to go to the car show. But other than that, I'm gonna drive her home, and I think I still need to. Well, I have my CBV replacement coming from IPD, but they're on back orders, so I've been waiting a month for that stuff. So I don't know how long that's gonna take. But other than that, yeah, you'll see her at the car show. Can't wait to check out all the Volvos that show up, meet some new Volvo enthusiasts, and yeah, I guess I'll end it there. I'll probably take a couple shots of this thing rolling down the road. It looks pretty good, even though the paint's gone. But yeah, I'll get a couple shots of this thing rolling. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. So yeah, there she is. She's a champ. If you guys don't see in this video me down at the car show, probably gonna end it here. So yeah, just remember to drive safe and enjoy those bricky looking Volvos. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time.